So here we have a Senville 36,000 BTU multi-head compressor unit, and you can see it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, so you can put 4 heads on this. And one of the things that they don't tell you in the instructions, and I've read through these many times, and I've put a couple of these here in the house, and nowhere in there does it tell you that you should be opening up all of the manifolds when you're doing vacuum of the system. So up at the top here is actually the 2 master valves. You want to keep those closed because that's what keeps the refrigerant inside the compressor. So you don't want to open those, but all of the other active valves, like I'm using 2 heads, so I've got A and B, and you have to go ahead and make sure you take these caps off, and you just use an Allen wrench, Allen key, and just back those valves all the way off. And you have to do the other set as well, right? So if you're using 3 of these zones, then you have to open up the 6 valves. If you're using 4, you have to open up all 8, and then that vacuums down all the lines and inside this manifold set. So everything on this side of the refrigerant. So sometimes when you open up these valves, there'll be a little bit of inert gas or a little bit of refrigerant. I don't know what they has left in there, but you'll hear a little bit of psst kind of sound. Not much in there. So just make sure that you have, again, what you just only have to hook up to 1 service port, but making sure that these valves behind here are all opened up. So this case, I've got all 4 opened up. Don't need to touch the ones I'm not using, of course. And then back down the system, and only then, and when you're sure you've got no leaks, do you open these 2, and that's where the refrigerant comes into the complete set. So nowhere on any of the Senville information does it mention anything about that. It just says, you know, stick on a vacuum line and put on the vacuum. Now maybe the pros all know that that's the case. You have to open up all those service ports, but you know, the manual's designed as a do-it-yourselfer kind of kit. So hopefully that helps you if you're trying to figure out how to vacuum down a multi-head system. And I'm not going to go through the process of how to vacuum and hook up the pump and all that kind of stuff, because there's a million videos on YouTube showing you how that all works. But not one of them gets into this opening of the valves before you vacuum it down. All right, so if everything, once you have no vacuum leaks and you've checked with the bubbly stuff to make sure that all the fittings are tight, then you could open these up. The other thing I've done is just realize that some of these fittings from the factory are made with a machine, and the copper seems to be gets hardened over time. So I cut them all off and made brand new flares and put nylock on them as well. So if you've got a flaring tool, I would definitely suggest that as well.